In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign team members to Trello checklist tasks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make sure every checklist item has a clear owner, which is great for keeping your projects organized and your team accountable. Let's start at your main Trello board. Go ahead and open Trello in your browser and navigate to the board where you're managing your project. This is usually the place where you see all your lists, like to do, in progress, or done. Make sure you're on the right board so you don't accidentally assign people on the wrong project. Next, find the specific card that contains the checklist you want to work with. A card in Trello is like a task or a project item. Click on that card to open it. When the card opens, you should see its details in a panel, including things like the description, any attachments, comments, and of course, your checklists. Scroll down inside the card until you see the checklist item you'd like to assign. Each checklist item will appear as a line with a checkbox on the left. On the right-hand side of that line, you'll see a small icon that looks like a person or a silhouette. This is the Add Person icon for assigning someone to that specific checklist task. Click on that icon. Once you click the icon, a small search box or menu will pop up showing members of your board. In that box, start typing the name of the team member you want to assign to this checklist item. Trello will filter the list as you type, making it easy to find the right person. Keep in mind that the person you're assigning needs to already be a member of the board, otherwise their name won't appear. When you see the correct team member in the list, simply click on their name. As soon as you do that, their avatar or initials will appear next to the checklist item. That means they have been successfully assigned to that specific task. You can repeat this process for any other checklist items on the card, assigning different people to different tasks as needed. That's all you need to do to assign team members to Trello checklist tasks. Use this approach to clarify ownership, reduce confusion, and help your team stay on track with every detail of your project.